bushfires, droughts, flooding. When it comes to
Treating
extreme weather, Australia seems to be
It can be the
constantly making
difference between
headlines.
snow and
Since 2019, the country's seen some of the worst flooding in its
planet is reshaping policy and lifestyles around the globe.
NBC News meteorologist.
There will be a time when we cannot replace what has been gone. If every single tree has been cut and the last forest has been damaged, if this view, everything turns into this, and all the wildlife is entirely replaced by this. Living in a shady city with cool and clean air is the dream of every citizen. It is inseparable from our involvement to always keep our city comfortable. At this time, we are increasingly realizing that green open spaces around us are very beneficial for the comfort of our lives. As implemented by Taman Methanol Industry Limited Company, there rehabilitates critical land into green open space in Banting City. To be a city arboretum, a place where rare and typical plants of East Borneo will grow. Banting City is an industrial city flanked by two large national-scale companies, so that makes Banting City develop into a densely populated city which is side by side with industries that produce non-environmentally friendly exhaust gases. Taman Methanol Industry Limited Company has been given the responsibility to manage CSR area by the Banting City government through the mayor's decree in 2012. The project named the Methanol Park, which has an area of 5.6 hectares. Administratively, this area is located in Banting Lestari Village, South Banting District, Banting City. The Methanol Park is bordered by a circular road and is south of the Banting Mayor's Office, East Borneo. The number that has been planted in the reclamation and rehabilitation program at Methanol Park from 2016 to 2019 is 1,733 seedlings consisting of 24 types of vegetation species. This kind of area becomes very important for its hydrological function because it can be a water reservoir for the surrounding plants. It is also a place to store excess water. The existence of swamps that are always wet also enriches the biodiversity of both flora and fauna. In addition to biodiversity in the managed area of KMI Limited Company grows vegetation typical of wetlands. Swampy ecosystems are also a habitat for fauna typical of swamps or rivers. For example, herpetofauna, fish, water birds, etc. The vegetation has formed a new habitat that brings a variety of animals, so that the Methanol Park develops to form a complex ecosystem, not only for human life but the life of flora and fauna as well. Another positive impact can be felt from environmental services as an investment that supports the life of living things, starting from providing clean oxygen, absorbing carbon dioxide, storing clean water, and preventing floods and landslides. The existence of the Methanol Park in Banting City also plays a role in efforts to mitigate the impacts of climate change and reduce greenhouse gas emissions produced by the rapidly growing industry in Banting City. Life in our homeland depends on these complex natural ecosystems. However, everything is intertwined. When Indonesia's forests are gone, even before the last tree falls, efforts to protect oneself